Hi, I'm Steve Slough and welcome back to my short course on the portable display stand industry, in particular pop-up displays, banner stands, that kind of thing. Over the course of 10 days I'll be sending you 3-minute videos on a different aspect of our exhibition display stand industry, some of which will be hopefully very helpful to you. Just by way of a disclaimer, I'm not being paid by any companies or products to promote anything in particular on these series of videos. This is purely me giving you the benefit of my 20 years experience in the industry. So I hope that's appreciated and I hope that's clear. We were going to be talking today about pop-up banners and roller stands. However, in the last video we touched on shell scheme graphics or shell scheme structures in particular, and I wanted to just elaborate a little bit on that because there are also shell scheme graphic opportunities that you can use as part of this exhibition industry that we're in. So just by way of an explanation, shell schemes are the white walls that you see at exhibitions that defines your space on the ground and separates you from the exhibitors behind you and to the left and right hand sides of your space. So that's what a shell scheme is. It's made up of 1 meter wide panels that are slotted into poles that have little slots in them. So that forms a wall and they're all bolted together well before an exhibitor gets to the show. So when you come along with your pop-up display, or maybe you've got a bespoke display coming in, whatever it is, maybe it's just your product, the walls of the shell scheme will already be there. Now, it's possible for you to go to a printer or an exhibition stand contractor and have panels printed specifically for that type of shell scheme. In order for them to do that, you're going to need to go to the exhibitor manual or ask the organisers what type of shell scheme it is and how large the panels are on the shell scheme walls. So that will help the printer to come up with a design, or certainly the printing mechanism for supplying you with the panels. Now if you go to an exhibition stand contractor, that's sometimes better, because they will be aware of that specific type of shell scheme structure that your organiser is using and will be able to adapt his display specifically for that structure. So that's the idea of shell scheme graphics. You can get them from all different types of sources. However, at the end of this series of 10 short videos, I'm going to introduce you to a little known industry resource that has all of the best suppliers of shell scheme stands and the best products at the best prices. So it's certainly worth hanging around and getting access to that, if nothing else. So I do hope that this little series has been useful to you. I've certainly enjoyed making it. We've still got to look at some exhibition furniture, why you should look at that, and also exhibition audio visual products. Tomorrow I'm going to be talking about banner stands and roller banners, so please hang around for that. Subscribe to this channel and I'll be able to send you some more information about the courses coming up, as well as courses that you may have missed. So thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.